Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my latest addition to my new favorite brand called Parfois. So as you can see, this is just a small package. So if you're interested to find out what I got this time, please keep on watching. So this is the first SLG item that I got from Parfois. So I'm not sure what's the name of it. Then so this is what it looks like. I saw this first on their website and I wanted to get it because it looks very luxurious to me. The one thing that attracted me is the embossed croc style. That really is very, I'm loving these days, this croc stitchings or embossing. Then you can get this, I think this is a card, their brand card. Yeah. So this is Parfois. And then so you can see it still has the tag. I want to remove it with you guys, and okay, so to see the details, you can see it is a beautiful wine color with the gold hardware. This is the gold emblem Parfois, and on the zipper pull it is also gold engraved with Parfois, and the zippers are also gold. It has this beautiful coating, neatly done. So it has how many card pockets? So we have one slot here, so two slots, 3, 4 slots on the front side, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slots, 10 slots. So we have 10 slots, or you can also put receipts in this because this is a more wide pocket, and another pocket right here for your cash, folded cash. So that's the tag. And what I love most about this one, aside from its thin, is that this one, I'm really loving this style. It's flap, because when you put your things there, you can put some coins because this one expands this side. Loving this feature. It's not hard for you to get the coins in there because you have this flap, this additional feature that I loved the most. That's why I am really happy that I was able to get this one. Really elegant looking. A beautiful addition to my SLG collection. It does have many pockets and it feels not really stiff. So now let's try to put something inside it for you to see how it looks like with things inside. So I have here my pink card holder. So first, let's put some cash on this portion in this pocket, folded cash. Then let's get some of the cards that I have right here. So starting from the back. So let's put our Mercury drug card. Then I have Shopwise card. So let's see. Looks like there are cards on the front. Then let's put some of the cards that I have. Okay. For example, I want to hide it inside of here. Some of my cards. I have another one I can place right here. Okay. Oh, my card. And then on the back, on this area, big area, I'll put my ID in there. More slots right here, even here. Now let's put some coins in this zippered portion. So I'm loving this flap because it expands. It's easy for you to get your coins inside. Easy for you to see them and get them. So this is how it looks like when you have your things and you still have a lot of extra pockets. I really love this design and I'm really happy that I was able to get it on the store, the actual store, and I'm so happy I was able to get Parfois, and Parfois is becoming one of my favorites now, so you'll be seeing more of them in the future probably. So I'm thinking that this is also a very high quality product, but it is not that expensive. It doesn't broke your budget, and if you want to get more good deals, you have to wait for their sales and register their Facebook groups, and for you to be notified when their sales are coming. Or so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already, and always thank God for the blessings. See you next time. Bye.